Okay, just arrived. Suzuki VZ800 or M800 Intruder. Nice tidy bike. 2010, as I say, it's a good colour scheme. Really suits it. Chrome's all good, nice and bright. There's a few bits and pieces here and there that you'd probably want to touch in yourself or give an extra clean, but you know, for its age it's a really nice bike really. It's got the backrest Sissy bar on it already. Cobra exhausts, they sound nice, not over the top really. You could baffle them if you wanted it a bit quieter, so that's always an option, but I think most people would prefer it the way it sounds because it does suit that style and image of bike. Crash bars on it, nice chrome crash bars, polished red cover there. They came with these upside down forks, which really suits the style of the bike. Consumables all good on it. It'll go through the workshop before it leaves us, so it'll be up to scratch service wise. Anything it needs will be done before it leaves us. Shaft drive, everybody likes shaft drive. No more chain on sprockets to adjust and replace, etc. A few little marks in there, I'll just point out a few bits and pieces there, look, just on the headlamp rim there. A little bit of tarnishing on the top yoke and the bar clamps. I mean, they could all be polished back, they're only alloy. Bottom yoke's got a little bit of tarnish in there. As I say, it's been used, I think it's done 38,000 miles or so. So it's a used 2010 bike, so you've got to expect certain bits and pieces, but on the whole, a really nice, good looking bike. $38,838 miles. So there you have it, Suzuki Intruder 800. It's in stock now in our showroom in Maidstone, Kent. You are welcome to pop in and view the bike. If you do need delivery or finance or any other questions on the bike or any other of our other bikes, by all means give us a call and hopefully speak to you soon.